I'll sometimes say the word disrupt, but I only say it because it's become common parlance. But actually, I don't really allow that into my heart. What I have always sought after is how to create. And I think the word that we really need to have on the tips of our tongue here is recreate. We need to recreate industries. We need to recreate the earth ultimately. But in business, we need to recreate. We've got to recreate the real estate industry. We need to recreate tons of these industries. Recreate the trucking industry, right? I mean, I'm not working on the trucking industry, but they should be thinking about how to recreate it. When I first got to Silicon Valley, so many of these entrepreneurs were bent on disruption. And I just don't think they were getting that creative spark for that reason. But if you think about recreating something, I think you're gonna start sparking. Because then you're good, you're like doing good, you know? You're kind of imitating the creator ultimately, and you just love doing that. And you get a lot of passion from it.